Ngiyakhuleka kwabesilo, ngiyakhuleka kwezizwe zonke. Oh yeah, what a day. Exhausting one, eh? Usuku lanamhlanje bengidedicate ekunakeni besibhizi nama-inbox ey'dingo zabantu, and especially because sine-extension office esilekelelayo ukuthi senze umsebenzi wokulekelela abantu. But-ke kade abantu bengikhalela ukuthi angibaphendule. Ngijwayele ukuphendulana kwi-inbox ukuthi nje ukuthi mhlambe abantu baningi kakhulu kanti umsebenzi mningi kakhulu umuntu afuna okusuke kufanele awenze. So namhlanje umuntu uthuke ephendula, but angivele ngihlale phekodaba. Sisasekudaba lika-General uMkhwanazi no-Minister uSenzo Mchunu. I see there's a lot of confusion ngenkulumo yami kubantu abaningi, but abanye they just choose to, abanye ba-invite ukuthi hayi hambe page elithile ziyabuya khona. Well, abantu ke bako TikTok banjalo social platforms nje abantu bakhona kunohlobo lwabantu oluhlukene, but ke what matters abantu kunayo yonke enye into nokuthi ekugcineni asingabi nento ekuzokusedlule zonke izimo bese siyisola ngayo. Angibuye la one isummary nje mfishane enkulumo yami engibe nayo ngendaba kaGeneral Mkhwanazi nokaMinister Senzo Mchunu. Into ethi it's very simple. Amaphoyisa umsebenzi wawo ukubopha isigebengu. If kuwukuthi ugeneral une information ekufanele engabe isetshenziswa to open a docket with evidence enough ukubopha, umsebenzi walokho ohlalele yena ukubopha regardless of ukuthi ubani ekufanele engabe uyaboshwa. Same thing with uminister. If kuwukuthi kunabantu including kwayena ugeneral mawukuthi kunaleyo nkulumo njengaleyo enama allegations abekwayo, laba abantu basemthethweni, we can't expect ukuthi indaba izothathwa ilethwe kwi-platform yesizwe without doing khona. Akusilekeleli thina ukuthi kuthiwa kunabantu abenza izinto but ababoshiwe. Akekho umuntu ongaphezu komthetho. That's a simple and straightforward nkulumo. It doesn't matter ukuthi ubani. Into ebengisho khona ukuthi uma sekufike kubantu be-level yabo shuthi bambe ngakho sesifikile la sifuna khona, and kuyabonakala already maningi amagama amakhulu amanye athintekayo. Ngiyakhumbula uGeneral Mkhwanazi ethreatenishwa amaZimbabweans after ugrader ePoint. Sithema ngabe abantu beze bebona amasosha emaningi ebhaga esuke workshop waza yophuma ePoint. Kwakuyi-demonstration yokuthi i-capacity to deal with abantu abathreatenisha amaphoyisa ethu ikhona i-capacity engale kwalokho abacabanga ukuthi bayakwazi bona, because enye into uthola ukuthi laba abantu especially the abantu esikubone thina silwa nobugebengu obuseyindaweni enjengakoPoint nakwenye indawo, kunabantu abazi ukuthi amaphoyisa bawaphethe bona. Ukhuluma ngoMetro iTheku, ukhuluma ngomasipala, ukhuluma ngo-SAPS, they know ukuthi baphethe abantu abathile. That incident yokuthi ngesikhathi e-Waterfront ehotela sizo-approachwa i-provincial office, ithi sesiqedile okay siprofilile siqedile, but i-problem sithi sifika siyo-raida uthola ukuthi sesisengcupheni thina abantu esiyo-raida kubona basilindele futhi banayo lonke uhlobo lezinto abanazo, or it's either kwayona leyo raid ayisekho successful but information is within us as amaphoyisa. Sizothi mase silungisile ama-warrant of arrest sicela ukuthi kuhambe namasosha siyela siyakhona. Sithe salindile ePoint i-district office ephethe ama-police station lawo 43 from uMkhomazi up to Verelem, which is ECR Swart. Yathi CR ephuma uShinga, ngikhohlwe irank kaShinga but usebenza noGeneral Mkhwanazi, and wethunya uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Uthe ephuma uShinga kwabe ngena obona igenge yase-CR nabo ombatha labo ombatha kade besibopha nongubani, bathe bephuma bathi bona as i-district bona basho kunye yini ehlula ukuthi kukhulunyiswe bona. Uyacabanga ukuthi laba abantu be-district bona aba-in touch negebengu siqu, bese ukuthi i-provincial office mhlambe ayikho eduze nobugebengu obenzakalayo. Laba abanye ngesikhathi kufanele ngabe dilwa negebengu, i-evidence everything is there, but then kunabantu abazodefend ukuthi akungenze amaphoyisa azothi akungenzeki kunalokho baphazamisa leyo operation bancamela ukuthi kuboshwe kuyeke abantu engebona bokufika abangenamaphepha i-evidence ikhona yonke into isemthethweni eyenziwayo bancamela ukuthi kuboshwe thina here in South Africa. Now umbuzo ke uthi okay bese thi ugeneral ke uma ngabe kubhakwa amasosha esupported kwathiwa ugeneral njengamanje inkinga kuzoba sengathi uyena o-invite ukuthi akube nokunyakaziseka kwi-province uma kuvela ukuthi sekusupportwa yena apparently kuneyikhulu thizeni ebezingafuni ukubona leyo nto yenzeka bekufanele igxobeke njengenyawo indaba ukuthi uyathreatenisha ugeneral ungathreatenishwa abantu bangaphandle kade uraider ukukhishwa ama-drugs ukukhishwa ukukhuculula ugebengu bonke okwenziwa ePoint bese kuzoba nabantu ngaphakathi kuhulumeni wethu abazokhuluma ukuthi akungenzeki leyo nto. Ugeneral wacela into eyodwa ukuthi ucela ukuthi kungenzeke egameni lakhe again njengoba kade kunenkulumo nje kumsindo bokade ufaka yena uminister uSenzo naye uGeneral Nhlanhla inkulumo yaba simple yathi aba-withdrawe abantu abafuna ukuthi kube nento ekhombisa ukusupporta yena manje he cannot be the one uthi maye kuchaza yena ngokwakhe uthi maye kuchaza akafisa ukuthi abonakale sengathi umelene nabathile. Okay, what changed? Sesikubonile ukuthi bakhona kushuthi abangaphezulu kwakhe or abane-influence kangcono or abathreatenisha whoever bamthreatenishayo uma sekufike la kuphosiswana khona ngamagama vele bazokhiphana abakhiphaneke osekufike la ephethe khona evidence yokubopha akabophe. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma ngikhuluma ngokufika kaGeneral Mkhwanazi ebuya back to i-province bekade kusuka uGeneral Langa yabona nje besiphethe uGeneral Langa noNgobeni ngaleso sikhathi kunamaphoyisa aziwayo ukuthi khona obani ngephi amadocket kuyazi uyoyisa ko Brigadier Uholby maningi amadocket ama cases angathi angasolvekile okubulawa kwamakhosi okubulawa kwenduna uma khulunywa nge-task team le ye high profile or political killings la maningi kakhulu ama cases akule abephethwe ile task team. Into uma ufuna ukuthi udile nento eyenzakala uma ngabe sekunasebenzinzile ebugebengweni okukhuluma ngabo akushintshe uyabona ukube kuthiwa ama-police station wethu uthatha umuntu wase Eastern Cape uhambe uyombeka eLimpopo kube ne-language barrier nje kodwa khona kube nenkinga ezoba khona kungabi isakhamuzi kungabi umuntu osejwayele endaweni kungabi umuntu osehlala iminyaka kungabi umuntu oseze wazenza kulobo bugebengu from the junior officials aseva ku-SAPS that department is rotten to the last one. Uma kungathiwa kwenziwa i-lifestyle audit emaphoyiseni kunamaphoyisa maintainwa igebengu official ahlala kuma mentions ahamba ngemoto anemali ongakazi uzuyibone iphoyisa and kuneyindawo la usuwazi khona ukuthi kunobugebengu nje obu-official obenziwa amaphoyisa. Uma ubheka kahle even iy'nkunzi ey'banjwayo uthola ukuthi phakathi kuma-heist akhona igebengu phakathi uthola ukuthi ibhamu ey'sebenzile isibhamu ebekwazi ukuthi leso sibhamu siboshiwe. So indawo esesikuyona whether uyangizonda noma uyangithanda noma uthanda bani makunjani I don't put a face mina makukhulunywa nge-corruption I don't put a face mina makufuneka i-justice futhi I don't need you to put my face I don't need to be favored. Uma sekufike la ekufanele kwenziwe khona umthetho uthatha indawo yakho awuthatha indawo yakho angincethezi ke mina angincengi angisho into eseceleni kwalento engifuna ukisho ngisho njengoba injalo. So uma sekufike la kufanele kuboshwe khona hayibambe ngakho bafowethu akungakhulunywa kodwa ngama-platform ezinto ezizokhulunywa kuphela zigcine ngenze lutho. Uyabona ukube kuthiwa sikhuluma kuthiwa kuboshiwe kwase kuthiwa ubopheleni bese siyakhuluma-ke ngabe sikhuluma into ephathekayo but uma sokhuluma bese kugcine kungaboshwe muntu ayisebenzele leyo nto. Like right now we're waiting for intervention ka-president to do what and I can hear people abanye bangizwile nokuthi ngithini bafunda into eshiwa abanye abantu bazothi ngikhulumela uMacingwane abanye bathi sesikubonile wena uFavor uMacingwane sesikubonile wena wenza ukuthi uGeneral Mkhwanazi akashonga ukuthi mkhulumele oba akhulumeli any of them. ngikhulumela umthetho ukuthi umthetho awunakapisi, umthetho awunasikhundla, umthetho awungahambi ngokuthi ubani, kuyingokuthi ubani uphila nobani udlisa kanjani, not this time. And the misunderstanding ye-GNU, like right now in the GPU, ila ebambe ngakho la kuzofanele kuphakame uchairperson we portfolio yamaphoyisa, chairperson we portfolio yamaphoyisa we-DA. But we expect him ukuthi aqinisekise ukuthi ubulungisa buyenzeka. With the committee and the members are working, asebenza nawo, fanele asebenzisane. In as much as singawufuni lo hulumeni ka-GPU, GNU, because kithi ezindle emnyama kuyinhlamba kithi nalokho. But njengamanje umthetho uthatha indawo yawo. Isikhathi sokuthi izinto ishintshe zenzeke ngendlela, without favor, without fears, without ukuthi kuze kukhethe ubani otheni. Uma kufanele qoqa umuntu, including kwayena uGeneral Mkhwanazi, uma ukuthi usigqoko waphi othize, njoba namanje ngisabuza ukuthi uma kuthiwa uNdlovu kwakufanele eboshwe kunaba produce evidence, kanti inkantolo sekweyani. Angithi uMkhwanazi une evidence ayiphethe njengamanje akwazi ukuyifunda, athi ubeka ama allegations uzoyaquote uthi abaye pagini lami, uma bengasena uminister ekhuluma nami, ufike wathi ekhuluma nami versus what anakho kwi-phone yakhe nokuyi evidence ikhona. Angithi iphoyisa leli, mina ngazi ukuthi iphoyisa mawukuthi lisebenza likhuluma ngobugebengu liyabopha. Angilazi noma senama media platforms, but kwi media platform uma kukuthi sekukhona ovimba ukuthi kwenze ukuthi enze ubulungiswa, then that's another story. But isigebengu, it doesn't matter sigqoke embalamuntu. Even if kwayena uGeneral Mkhwanazi uyisigebengu, uma isigebengu yena kufanele amaphoyisa enze umthetho, that's it. And mina yazi ngiyafisa ukube kuthiwa you understand ukuthi iposition engikhuluma kuyo mangikhuluma ukuthi hayi bafethu yazi ifike ayikaze sifike futhi kule level efike kuyo. And kuzobe ngingaqala ukuboshwa kwabantu abanegama. uMkhwanazi unegama, uyena uMacingwane unegama, whoever omunye unegama, uGeneral uSibi unegama, uGeneral Masimulu unegama, uGeneral uSilebi ngaleso sikhathi wayenegama. Abangene mawukuthi fanele kubuye nobheka icele fanele kungene bani, abangene kuzophuma ukuthi kwenzakalani. And ngathi sengiqala ukuyithanda leyo ukuthi kube nomdonsiswane kube bebodwa bengathembani. You know ukuthi amangena uSenzo Mchunu ezoba uminister ku resign amaphoyisa over 300 something, yini ebizokwenza a resign amaphoyisa ngaleso sikhathi. Ubengakaqali nokuqala ukusebenza immediately nje bekwa hayi abaze bamithe ngisho ukumitha. Ikhona ku right impela lokho, fanele sazi uma kukhona abahambe benezinto zabo abalandwa balandela. Uma uGeneral sesimzila uGeneral manje ukuthi unencindezi, akayikhiphi incindezi ukuthi incindezi ivela kobani nobani, but amaqala wavulwe phela, alivula idocket akaboshwa umuntu. Same thing no Senzo Mchunu, uma ukuthi unenkinga akabhekene nayo, uma ukuthi ifaka yena uGeneral ngavinjwe ithini ukuthi aboshe umthetho uyafana. It doesn't matter ukuthi ubani umbali, whether ngifavorite kubaba wami noma ngini la ngikhona, uma kufanele kuboshwe engeke iboshwe inkosi uDalindyebo mawukuthi bekungayi ngosize. Inkosi nje ke ayiboshwe, but isilo uDalindyebo yaboshwa. So does it ever get to a point la ngaphezulu kwalokho? It doesn't get better than that. Ayikho point edlula ukuthi inkosi uDalindyebo yaboshwa, ubani lo ngezoboshwa mase kufike kuyena. If it means upresident akaboshwa, inganqamalala uboshiwe, ubani omunye ongaphezulu kwalokho, yini ehlula lokho. So umthetho awungabi namabala, umthetho awungabi no size, umthetho awungabi nezibongo, awungabi nama title. Umthetho njalo. It doesn't matter ukuthi sikhuluma ngobani. Uma kufanele umuntu ayiphendulela kayiphendulele enkantolo, why sizobekela evidence? But evidence, is it for our own consumption? Ayibe ye consumption yethu kusiexplainela kodwa umthetho ubuyenza indawo yawo, because umthetho ngeke size asu stage into kufanele an officer adlala indawo yakhe, the judiciary idlala indawo yayo. Vele the system ine problem esikhuluma ngayo, but sibabonile beboshwa ezinye ikhulu zakhona. Impela mina uMacingwane ngazi ngisho ekhaya, wazi ngisho ekhaya mina, but uma ukuthi wonile yiyo lento eyenza ukuthi even ama-rapist kweminye imizi bethi bephila nawe egcekeni kuthi uzoqhatha umndeni uzoxabanisa umndeni ayingaphumi indaba umuntu ehlukumeza ingane kusukela ina-3 years izelwe ingane iyoze izale iy'ngane engazi ukuthi izalwa umalume la ekhaya athi ugogo athi umama uzoqhatha umndeni ayingakhulunywa umama athi ngoba uyasiphakela ayingakhulunywa yiyo yonke lento yenza ukuthi umthetho ungayiserve i-justice. The very same things esiyilwelayo ngaphandle njengoba kunabantu abangaholelwa iy'mali zabo as you are speaking sikhuluma thina indaba zo-Legend Logistics and uMacingwane uyena wayesho ngomlomo wakhe athoza kwabo makufanele mina ngiphesiwe icase enkantolo uma kufanele baboshwe abantu abathintekayo ababoshwe they won't interfere with that. So uma kukuthi labo bantu bonke bayilento abathi bayiyona bakhuluma lokho abathi bakhuluma khona why kufanele sibe bothered thina ukuthi kuphela ukugada lokho esesikwazi nalokho esesikuzwile but akuethwe akungakhulunywa ngoba ukukhuluma sikade kukhulunywa yabona nje isizwe si-angry kangaka sekukhulunyiwe kwanele and into ezomangaza ke kuba nama-faction kuba nomuntu ofuna ukufavor into ethile uma kuukuthi khona ophula umthetho kubo it doesn't matter ubani akungabi ne-favor komunye umuntu noma kunjani. That's all I'm saying to abantu. That's all I'm saying. And uyazi ukuthi mina kimi ngesikhathi befika bezongibopha nje eBeverly Hills yabo lento unlawful arrest mina kade bangiqala bona ngaza ngazoboshwa General uNgobeni Siqu ngisehotel eBeverly Hills ngihamba nesilo khona ngaboshwa ngaphuma emaphepheni ngatrenda kwangathi ngudrama queen womhlaba emhlabeni ongakazi umbone isolezo ladayisa into engakazi ibonwe lapho umntwana Thulane nomfayila baze bahamba baya kulona isolezo fanele baphendulele yabe iphathi khona ngikhuluma mina ukuthi bathi sebefikile sebengibophile baqeda imina ngase nginqaba ukuphuma ngeke ufike ungibophe ungehlise nesithunzi ukhuluma into oyikhulumayo bese uthi mawusufikile esitokisini awusangijaji angibuyele uthatha ubeke wapi la because kuthiwa nekhaya khona around la mistake ababeyenzile abafikanga ne-information ephelele this time uGeneral ne-information ephelele and kuthe sekufika bakwazi ukuthi bezojustify istory sabo mina ngibazi almost bonke General beprovince bazochaza ukuthi because I receive i-call thina kwisilo uGeneral uLanga wa receive i-call kwisilo watshela uGeneral uNgobeni should that arrest was lawful because it was i-charge eyayikade isemthethweni ireportiwe emthethweni inkinga kwafanele bezobopha from there but ke angifuni ukuthi ngize ngene kuleso story maningi kakhulu ama example ebengawenza izinto abazenzile akungayi ngamabala ukuthi kwenze njani angingayi ngeindaba ezizokhulunyiswa umthetho uthatha indawo yakho that's it ukuthi ubani you don't have to know me ukuthi ngubani makwenzakaleni into engikhulumayo ekufanele ubheke problem with us in our country umuntu ubheka ubuso bomuntu okhulumayo ubheka umlomo womuntu okhulumayo ubheka ipopularity yomuntu okhulumayo ubheka ititle then we are not going anywhere as the country akekho umuntu ongapheka umthetho it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani and into ebuhlungu our people are twisted singadlala nje ngakho ukuthi abantu babheka ukuthi bazolutha nini but people are twisted ngalendlela yokuthi sithe kufanele sithole i-backup fanele kuphume illegal immigrants yeah abantu abaze bayihluphe basukume benze lokho nanamhlanje sisahlushwe yibona but sisodwa in our country siyakwazi ukuthi sinikane amandla yabona immediately qeda ukubophana laba babophanayo kosiza ukuthi screen our streets because we have the capacity uyayibona lembumbe sibe yiyona kusho ukuthi senza ngamabomu kushuthi khona abadlayo abajabulela ukuthi we are divided ukuze kwenzeke izintando zabathile namhlanje siyakwazi ukunite all political organization akhuluma ilanguage eyodwa like right now athi they rally behind uGeneral Mkhwanazi uma ukuthi kukhona corrupt akahamba yoboshwa njoba bekwazile ukwenza immediately niqeda lapho akahambe koklina home affairs bethu anenihambe niyoklina ibhedlela zethu again nihambe niyoklina ikole la kufunda khona izingane zethu abehambe bayoklina corruption eyenzeka kuona amaphoyisa ngaphandle kokwe-favor na anything nihambe niyoklina ama-parliament abasebenza kuona nihambe niyoklina the judiciary system nihambe yabona inkantolo zethu west and vele even indaba ye-bribery nayo yonke enye into ibona abaparticipate there abantu abasemthethweni abameli bethu badlala i-role lapho amajaji asuke edlala i-role lapho to facilitate ukuphuma kwesigebengu ekusuke ngafanelanga siphume befacilitate ukuhlukumeza komuntu ongafanele ahlukumezeke ngaphakathi emajele ethu icorruption into ongakazi uzuyibone alukho uhlobo lobugebengu obungenzeki lapha ya. And it's no longer correctional services amajele ethu usuku umuntu eyograduateisa ukuthi yiba worse umuntu okubophe ngephutha. And I don't understand ukuthi yini ezokwenza ukuthi sineyitoki seyingaka amaphoyisa abopha every day. Who benefits from police station ukuthi afika yobopha wonke umuntu awabuzi noma bashayene noma benze njani uma kaya reportwa nje into ngathi bajabulela ukuthi kuthiwa bayobopha but for again ababagcini labo bantu police station abo ayanuka bolila wa cleanwa awazi police station ukuthi kanjani bathatha abantu bahambe ogqume eyitoksini bayotoka emajele ejele ufika utreatwe like umuntu already osebuya kothathela isinqumo kwathiwa vele ukwenzile lokho ngathi sekuthiwa you are proven guilty and ukuthi inhloso is to destroy abantu or iyini inhloso because that ijele is no longer rehabilitating people. So iyini inhloso we need uyabona njengoba besabhizi kanje kuzofanele sithole ukuthi who's benefiting from itender yokodlisa izibosho inqwaba eningi lapha emajele ethu or who's benefiting for whatever tender ekuyona eyenza ukuthi itokisi zilale zi-empty or babophe every day or nabaseshike uyababona ukuthi badla kahle because uyabezwa ngisho abantu befike bebosha ukuthi hayi mina wami kumseshi nje bayasho ukuthi hayi uyakhulumiseka uweze ubezwa abantu be-shoplifting sebegraduateile and kuyaphileka and kumnandi and ziyakhipha baze bakutshela ukuthi hayi ayikho lento abakutshela yona ukuthi yenzeke emajele siphila buthephu and baphila buthephu jele ibona abaphilisa kahle abafuna ukubaphilisa kahle ibona abaphilisa futhi phela ngithi ufika uphenduka isisebenzi sabo bahlale babhala ufo bakhiphe bagqoka ama-morning shoes babe necathalala ke zabo-ke leze iboshiwe izobasebenzela naloya enjoy i-freedom yokuthi uhambe memeza abantu ema-passages acabanga ukuthi kwayena sekuyena obophe nojele la. So nje si-twisted as a country and uma kukanje inyandezulu ziyasithanda washo uMdlokombane wathi nje abahlangene ngomhlaba wakhe ngesizwe sakhe abahlangene ngathi to destroy us abaxabane bodwa baze bashiphelane baze benzenjani and hayi angikaboni lutho ezisizwe angikaboni lutho uma ubuyela kuma clips sami ka December uyokhumbula nangoNovember uyokhumbula ukuthi ngasho ngathi this period isiphatheleni and asikaboni lutho sazodunguzela njizwe sazodunguzela ngama cases nje so sibheke ku 2026 and into ebuhlungu ngalesi sikhathi thina si distracted khona abantu ababhiza bantshontsha izinto zethu behind our backs and njengamanje njengoba ngena ama budgets komasipala hayi phela kuyiwa ku local government and sazoba distracted nje abanye they will even ukulaunch ama investigation ay fake ukuze kususwe attention kubona iattention iso kwabanye abantu uzuyitshela ukuthi hayi ngoba sekuthiwa kufaka iforensic lapha kuchutheka lokho that is staged sidlala abantu yabo nje basikhuluma ama political killings siyohamba size sibuye kubantu ababulala abantu komasipala kaNongoma sizobuya emakasini high profile othula sizophela labantu esikhuluma ngabo siyoze sibalande bazolandana uyabona nje labadayisa amadokodo bonke labo bazoze balandane bazoze uyabona manje ziyakhiphana phela manje makusabambiswana kusa-understand wona kusasetshenziswana akuhambi kahle it needs people ukuthi baze ishiphelane iflathelane nalo uzokhipheza omunye nalo akhiphoza omunye hayi bazoze baboshwe uyabona nje mabekaqala ngoyedwa manje hayi siyala sifuna ukuyakhona-ke impela ngiyathobeka kakhulu boze baboshwe sibafuna beboshiwe bona and they will account ayikho ibhozi edlula wonke umuntu noma ngabe kuthune imali usuyibona usuphethe izwe lonke usunayo yonke uhlobo lemali yabona nje manje kukhulunywa ngama-billionaires la kukhulunywa khona kukhulunywa ngama-tenders the multi-billion tenders hayi akekho umuntu above the law trust me akekho above the law and we are getting there hayi mina I'm celebrating mhlambe ngicabanga ukuthi ngihlukumezekile ngangithuka nisho whatever that you wish to say ngithi ibambe ngakho yiyo bophanani ayikhali